Good morning, students. Nice. Today we are going to see about an important and essential topic for the living. உலகத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய 35 கோடி ஜீவராசிகளும் வாழ்றதுக்கு அடிப்படையான தேவை என்னங்க? ஆக்சிஜன், வாட்டர், ஃபுட். பொதுவாக நம்ம 3 வேளையும் எடுத்துக்கக்கூடிய சாப்பாடு. ஸோ அந்த சாப்பாடை நம்ம எப்படி தயார் பண்ணுறோம்? குக்கிங். அதே போல் நமக்கு தேவையான உணவுகளை என்ன செய்கிறோம்னு சொன்னால், நம்ம சுயமாக த்ரூ த வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் and rice we can cook our own food in kitchen. Like that, இந்த plants இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, plants என்ன செய்யும் சொன்னா, green plants make their own food. Okay, this plant have the capacity to make the food, own food, through the process called, anyone? Photosynthesis. Yes, photosynthesis. So this plant make their own food through the process called photosynthesis. When we move to the origin of this word, photo, what's meant by photo? Light. Synthesis, to make. So in the presence of light, it makes the food. This process is called photosynthesis. When we move to this anatomical structure of this plant, this is called root, and this whole portion is called shoot. This is leaf, and this is flower. So this plant is kept in the outside environment. Okay, so it obviously get water from the soil. So here sun is always present in the daytime, and through the environment carbon dioxide is also present. So this plant having capacity to take in water from the root and sunlight, directly it gets sunlight from the sun. The green leaf absorb the sunlight through the pigment. One pigment is there. What's that? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, பசுங்கனிகம். This is the pigment. Chlorophyll have the capacity to absorb the sunlight from the sun, and through the environment it absorbs carbon dioxide. So it gets water, sunlight or carbon dioxide. Through the combining of these materials, it process the photosynthesis and make glucose. Okay, clear? So when we move to the equation of this process, we can conclude 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O in the presence of sunlight. The location is in leaf, chlorophyll content. It makes glucose. and oxygen also. Understand? Please note the equation on your notebook. So, this green plant have the capacity to absorb the sunlight, carbon dioxide and water and makes their own food, self-autotrophs. So, by combining these materials in the presence of sunlight, it makes glucose. Glucose and oxygen also. So, it absorbs carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Understand? Can anyone summarize this process briefly? Shabik.
Basically, the plant receives light from the sun. And the process happens in the leaf through chlorophyll, right? Through chlorophyll, it receives light, and through root, they get water, enough water, and through environment, they get carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. And with light, presence of light in water, through water and oxygen, carbon dioxide,
Yes.
they process these. The process and releases glucose. Glucose means energy, right? That's all.
Yes, clap. So I hope you all are understand what is photosynthesis and how plants is very helpful for our living also. Understand? Thank you all.